Elevated Roofing is focused on you by providing a safe and secure digital experience, from inspection to selection, from contracting to payment. We are a digital transformation company using the latest in drone technology that can detect any roof damage, as well as the ability to measure with absolute pinpoint accuracy. Once we've inspected your roof, we create a 3D model of your house and give you a full and accurate digital report. Once your house is in our 3D visualizer tool, you can customize the shingle colors to see what your house will actually look like. Your project manager will work with you every step of the way, and you'll know exactly what to expect from start to finish. You can even securely sign the contract via DocuSign from the comfort of your own home. We offer an easy, no interest, no credit check payment option plan for your deductible. At Elevated Roofing, we are moving at the speed of technology.